Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will remove the door panel. This is a Opel Insignia from 2012. You need to take this piece of trim, and after that you will have a cap here that you need to take out. You will have two Torx under this and one Torx under this, and after that you will have clips. To remove this trim you will have some place here to put your removal tool under. I don't advise you to start from this side or from this side because the trim goes under the door panel. It came really fast. You can see that this and this goes under like this. Usually you need to pop up here this side and after that slide it like that. I will take out the screws, 3 screws, Torx T20. I will use a plastic removal tool and I will make some space to see where the clips are. There are another two, one there, one there. And now what you need to do, you need to slide it upward. I didn't see something like that. All the clips are still on the door, all of them. You can see I didn't break nothing. To remove the clips I will use two plastic removal tools like that. I put the first one. Like that. For the window switch you just need to push and pull. If you want to take the swiper you just need to this. For the front door panel everything is the same. You will have this plastic cover here that you need to take out. You will have this piece of trim here. And you will have extra to speaker, the tweeter. The speaker have one white clip on the top. You can see that it's still there. All the clips are staying on the car. Usually they need to stay on the trim. This is how you remove your door panel on your Insignia from 2012. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have questions, write me in the comment section. See you next time.